Hey there, future college students. Today, we're going to simplify the college research process and help you find your dream school. Let's make this journey easy and enjoyable. Ready? Let's dive in. Step 1. Start with yourself. Take a moment to think about your interests, career goals, and preferred location. Jot them down in a notebook or create a digital document. Knowing what you want will make the search easier. Step 2. Use online tools. College search engines like College Board, Naviance, and College Navigator are your best friends. Input your preferences such as major, location, and campus size. Let these tools do the work and generate a list of potential colleges for you. Step 3. Dive into college websites. Explore each college's website to gather information. Look for details about academic programs, campus facilities, student life, and support services. Take notes on what stands out to you. Step 4. Connect with admissions officers. Reach out to college admissions officers for more personalized information. They're there to help. Attend virtual information sessions, ask questions, and get a feel for the college's community. Step 5. Visit campuses virtually or in person. If possible, take a virtual or physical tour of the campuses that interest you the most. Get a sense of the atmosphere, talk to current students, and visualize yourself there. Step 6. Stay organized. Create a spreadsheet or use an organizer to track important details like application deadlines, required documents, and financial aid information. This will keep you on top of your game. Great job, college explorers! By following these simple steps, you're well on your way to finding your ideal college. Remember, this is an exciting adventure, so enjoy the process. Stay tuned for more college admissions tips. See you soon.